Guys, welcome back on Kayla's. So I just named myself Kayla's. So today, guys, we will be playing Turbo Prop Flight Simulator. I'm just entering the game. Today's lesson is in this game how to land and then park the airplane. So let's start. Play free flight. Start. So now I remove the hard. Lower your speed to 13 or 10 or 9. But it's your choice. So now as you get close to the runway, do this. And put on your landing gears and auto brakes. And say brake as you land. This is going to be a little bit of hard for you because you're a starter, right?